Hello everyone and welcome to another review. Today it's time for a little update that I have to give you because you're all my trusty followers. At the moment I'm posting not that many videos because I don't have that much time. And as you might have known, I do a lot of reviews on my own. Of course my friends are helping me, but the video editing goes all on myself. So it takes a lot of time, and that's at the moment a rare thing in my life because I have a lot of other projects at the moment. But however, I try to make some more videos now. No, I will make some more videos now. You know, it's getting winter, it's getting dark, I have more time to do that stuff. And I will start that video by doing another review. Today we have a look at something like this here. Do you know what that is? Now you might know it. That's something called a 10-port USB charging station by a company called Alxum. Thank you very much for the sponsoring. At the side you have the little port for the power supply here. You have 10 USB ports here at the side, also supporting quick charge. Qualcomm Charge 3.0. Unfortunately, as you can see straight away, there's no USB Type-C port. However, they do have another station which feature 120 watts, which does have a USB-C port, also supporting power delivery to charge your cameras. Because using this beast here, you cannot charge your Canon EOS R or your Canon EOS R5, for instance. But however, you can charge your Sony cameras. Doesn't matter if it's a Sony full-frame camera or one of these little cameras. But this one here, I tried it out, doesn't charge my Canon EOS R5. So this one here features 96 watts, 10 ports at the side. The build quality, to be honest, it's plastic, you do feel it. However, it's not supposed to be in your way so that everyone is walking on it. It's supposed to be somewhere in your living room where you can charge all the devices. It's about 70 to 80 euro, and you do get some partitions with that. So you get a lot of these ones here to separate your phones from your MacBook or your tablet, for instance. So what these little partitions do, you can plug them into these holes down there, and you can separate all your devices from each other. I think you're getting what I mean. And a cool thing is that you get a long power supply, so the cable is quite long. At the moment I'm in a hotel in the southern part of Germany, and this time I'm prepared because the last time, about 3 weeks ago, I was in London. And I thought to myself, well, I don't need to bring an adapter with me because they all have these USB sockets already. And I went into that hotel and I was like, how am I supposed to charge my devices here? So I went down to the reception and they had one of these wall adapters for the iPhone, which charges with 1 ampere per hour. I was like, oh. The iPad took about 10 hours to charge and I wasn't able to use it because the battery dropped while I used it at the same time using this little adapter. So this time I was prepared, so I'm here in that hotel and they have actually one socket which features USB-C, no, a normal USB. However, I do have a lot of electronic devices. It can be my iPad, my torch, my iPhone, my MacBook, whatever. You can also use your Samsung mobile phone, Huawei, whatever, and you can charge all of these devices using that little tool here, which weighs about 1.3 kilograms, including this long power supply. And it charges your device at a constant rate, so not too fast, not too slow. My iPhone 11 Pro Max took about 1.5 hours from 0% to 100% using this 10-port USB charging station. As I said, on one side it feels quite cheap because it's made of plastic. However, on the other side, you can go outside, take it in your backpack, and you're not carrying that much weight with you. So I can highly recommend this station. By the way, thank you very much, Alxum, strange name, for that sponsoring. And as I said, they do have a 120 watt USB charging station as well, which does feature power delivery, so as USB Type-C. Unfortunately, this one here doesn't. However, if you're in a hotel and you have also a lot of electronic devices with you and they need to charge at the same time, I can highly recommend this little charging station. So the only thing you need to do is basically use one of these cables here. That's a USB-C cable, that is a micro USB cable. Plug them in. It looks a bit strange that they pop out here a little bit. I hope you can see that. However, they are charging your devices. So that's here is a lightning cable. And it's a really nice tool for all of you who have, for instance, a hotel or a little business with a lot of devices and you're traveling a lot. Good device. So thank you very much for your undivided attention. The link is listed in the video description below. Make sure to follow me on Telegram and on Instagram. All the best from the heart. No, that's not the heart of Germany. That's the southern part of Germany, close to the French border actually. And what else to say? I'm really sorry that I didn't post too much videos in the last few months. I will work on myself now that you will get more videos. All the best and see you very soon. Tschüss!